Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here let's tap to shooting methods. Now at the first position we have press volume keys 2, and when we tap on it, we can decide to use this as take picture or record video, which is now zoom in or out, or control system volume. So let me change it to zoom now to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject now and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume keys. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.